The completion of Suzanne Morphew's autopsy marks a milestone in the ongoing quest to unravel the circumstances surrounding her tragic demise. Morphew, a Colorado mother residing in the Salida area, was reported missing on Mother's Day, May 10 to 20. After an extensive search, her body was discovered in September 2023 in Saguache County. Although her husband Barry was once a suspect, charges against him were later dropped. Since her disappearance, both her family and the community have been fervently seeking answers. Wednesday, the Colorado Bureau of Investigation informed local news outlet KKTV 11 that the autopsy has been finalized. As we await further details regarding the findings, here's a brief timeline of the case. May 10, 2020, Suzanne Morphew reported missing. May 11, 2020, search teams deployed to the area near her Chaffee County residence. May 15, 2020, discovery of items belonging to Suzanne. May 17, 2020, Barry Morphew appeals to the public for assistance via a video message. May 19, 2020, authorities conduct a search of the Morphew residence. May 22, 2020, search expands to a separate property where recent construction had taken place. May 5, 2021, Barry Morphew's arrest. April 18, 2022, dismissal of murder charges against Barry Morphew. September 27, 2023, confirmation by the Colorado Bureau of Investigation that remains found in Saguache County belong to Suzanne. I'll be keeping an eye on the release of this autopsy report and post an update when it's available.